Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is November the 24th, 2019, where we trade different. This is going to be a video for Ethereum, a very crucial Ethereum price prediction update that we're seeing on the long-term time frame. If this is your first time watching this video and you appreciate the content, the simplistic form of our price charts and the language that we utilize, I want to take the opportunity to tell you, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to see all the other price forecasts that we're expecting to see in the stock market and the cryptocurrency space. Now, let's trade different. Let's look at the price chart for Ethereum. But first, I am going to tell you the outcome from our last forecast in Ethereum. We were looking for the market to continue to see some higher prices. If you guys can remember, it did not play out that way. We did have a TP price in the market for Ethereum around $186, $187. We got that the next following day, but then the market completely fell off. Okay, so you wasn't able to grab some of that TP out the market. This is a failed forecast if you did not grab that TP out the market in Ethereum. It does happen. Take it up as a lesson, and we just continue to move on with our forecast. So if you were able to get it out around $186, 2.25% was it, and it was literally, it took place the next day. So that happens. So now what I want to talk to you about is looking at Ethereum on the weekly and a monthly time frame, and how we have seen some major changes in tone in this cryptocurrency space for the pairs against the dollar. Okay, so now one of the first thing I want to pinpoint is that the market in Ethereum has broken a key support area, which is around here. Okay, very, very important that the market had held some support at that particular $166, $150, $165 price level, and it is not doing that on this current weekly bar. As a matter of fact, we broke it massively on a bigger spread down bar. That also tells you that excuse me, that we are not seeing the probabilistic chance of Ethereum moving higher in price. As a matter of fact, given what we're seeing on this weekly price chart in Ethereum, it looks to be another bigger move to the downside, maybe around $120, $125. Okay, the monthly chart in Ethereum, you can still see here that the market has failed at least for 2 consecutive months to break above $200. That is not positive, that is negative. We are closing on this current monthly bar, which we still have 6 days left, but we're closing towards the bottom end of the market of this monthly price bar. That's negative as well. Looking here on the monthly price chart in Ethereum, $100 in the long term can be support. Okay, so definitely keep that in your mind as we see this market in Ethereum trade out. Okay, so I'm not feeling positive into the market for Ethereum to see higher prices at the moment. I think we do have another chance of a leg down in the market in Ethereum, maybe around $130 all the way back down to 120. Okay, so what we're going to do, we are going to placate the market in Ethereum to continue to see some lower prices. Okay, so let's play this on the short side or the sell side, because we're looking at the market weakness coming into this space. Resistance can definitely be around $150, but I'm going to extend it up a little bit higher to around 160. That's a bigger area of resistance in the long term. Okay, And we're going to hold the market to try to grab some support either around $134 to our TP price, which would be 140. So 140 will be our TP price, and that will be 3.5% in the market only if we see strength come in. If we don't, the market will continue to see those lower prices. Okay, so this is our expectations into the market in Ethereum. We got resistance around $160 for a long-term resistance point, and TP 140, but it definitely could go a lot lower than that, especially in the long term. Okay, so we might consolidate for the next couple of days, but this trend in the market in Ethereum is still to the downside. We haven't changed that tone overall, and you won't be able to see that until you look at it on the weekly and monthly perspectives. Okay, so this is it. This is our new forecast into the market for Ethereum. Still seeing some lower prices to play out. Our TP price is right there around 140. Ultimately, it could go a lot lower than that, especially the further out you go out in time. Okay, so again, 120, 125 is where a longer term support can be, but ultimately $100. So there you are. That is our new forecast into the market in Ethereum. Questions, comments, let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video. And as always, welcome to Trading Different. Make sure you always maintain your profitability, and I will see you on the next one.